Once upon a time, in a dimly lit laboratory, Dr. Amelia Wells toiled away on her life's work, the Chrono-Temporal Resonator. Her eccentricities were matched only by her brilliance, and tonight was the night she hoped to prove the impossible. As the machine hummed to life, a dazzling portal emerged. From its depths, a mysterious figure stepped forth. "My name is Alex," the figure revealed, eyes gleaming with urgency. "I come from a future consumed by chaos. Your invention, Dr. Wells, is our only hope." Without hesitation, Dr. Wells joined Alex in the swirling vortex, and they found themselves standing amidst the grandeur of ancient Egypt. Alex explained that they needed to retrieve the Eye of Horus, a mystical artifact holding the key to restoring balance in the future. Their journey through time took them into the heart of a pharaoh's palace. Evading guards and solving ancient puzzles became their routine. Dr. Wells marveled at the wonders of history unfolding before her. In a hidden chamber, they discovered the Eye of Horus. However, as Dr. Wells reached for it, the room trembled, and a time anomaly erupted. The world around them distorted, blending scenes from different eras. Struggling against the temporal chaos, Dr. Wells and Alex fought to stabilize the timeline. Through the swirling anomalies, they glimpsed moments that shaped human history. It was a turbulent journey, fraught with challenges that tested their resolve. As they finally emerged, victorious but weary, they found themselves back in Dr. Wells' laboratory. The Chrono-Temporal Resonator hummed quietly, its mission accomplished. Alex, grateful but somber, nodded at Dr. Wells. "You've saved our future, but remember, time is a delicate tapestry. Handle it with care." And with those words, Alex vanished into the shadows of time, leaving Dr. Wells alone with the echoes of a journey that transcended the boundaries of history. As she looked at the Eye of Horus in her hands, Dr. Wells pondered the responsibility that came with wielding the power of time. The adventure may have ended, but the odyssey through time had left an indelible mark on her, shaping the course of both her life and the destiny of the world.